Enugu was heading to Okpara Square yesterday. The Rangers International were calling us for the celebration of the win of the league. And we were there, live and direct, to support. First from a distant seat, overviewing the whole spectacle. But when the team bus arrived, everybody got up and was excited. This team really did us proud this season. And even though I'm kind of a new supporter, Ezenwa has been supporting Rangers since he's a child. Because this was his father's club. Chief used to travel from Aba to Enugu just to watch them play. So we continue the legacy. And once the players finally made it to the stage, we realized that we were definitely too far away to see something. So we decided to go closer. The party was just about to get started. And Chief and I in the middle of it. The team was showing gratitude to the sponsors, the supporters, the commissioners, the governor and the fans, everybody that contributed to the success of their season.
If you know you love our coach, can I say Rangers? When I say Rangers, you never say that Rangers. Oh, give me.
And then it was time for the music and the party.
We know they're so messy. We know they look good at first. We be football medicine. If I'm on a if I'm on a ball, the football on a
And before we left, we personally wanted to congratulate the GM and the team to their success. The General Manager of Rangers International then took us to meet some important people, like the Group Managing Director of Afrinvest, the key sponsor of the Rangers, as well as the Commissioner of Sports of Enugu, and also the trainer of the Enugu Rangers, which happens to be somebody Ezenwa knows from back then in Switzerland. What a great moment, an unexpected place of reunion. And with the assistant coach of the Rangers also being one of our good friends, we even had the privilege to take a picture with the medals. What an amazing night.
From Rangers Cup celebration, presentation of celebration. It was good, right?
Very good. Very good.
So already got people still there.
A lot of people still there. They're still celebrating.
That's
We have to
good.
go home and meet them. When the kids are waiting, we didn't go with them. Yes.
It was nice.
Very nice.
So, Nigerian League, Yoku.
Very awkward.
Yes, very, very awkward.
Very, very awkward. You know?
And Enugu is on top.
On top.
Rangers and Antelopes.
Rangers International, the Flying Antelopes.
So next year, Enimba will challenge them.
Not only Enyimba, Heartland,
All of
Abba
them.
Warrior, You know, it's going to be a tough one for them, but you know, they will be playing in Champions League, African Champions League next season because they are champions. So they will represent Nigeria in Africa. So it's going to be tough for them, but we wish them well as well.
Rangers International.
Yes. We wish them well because
Alright.
the whole city is behind them.
So instead of supporting Chelsea or Manchester or Roma,
Supporting all this Premier League, like you guys are killing yourself.
promote your own.
Promote your own.
Rangers is here.
Charity begins at home.
Here to stay.
Yes,
Atago.
exactly.
So that is it. We are celebrating today and we'll be celebrating again. Amen.
Amen. Amen.